Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for fashion, style, and iconic collections. In today's video, we're diving deep into a stunning range of branded and luxurious sneakers that are turning heads and setting trends across the fashion world. Whether you're looking for bold statements, classic designer elegance, or performance-driven power shoes, this collection has something just for you. Let's begin with this white and gold luxury sneaker, a design that instantly catches the eye. The rich gold detailing adds a royal touch, making it perfect for those who love to blend elegance with street style. Its sleek structure, bold outsole, and luxury branding speak of confidence and class. Whether paired with casual denim or even a semi-formal look, this pair makes sure you don't go unnoticed. Moving next, we have the white high chunky sneakers, an absolute beast in the sneaker world. This pair is built for power, with an aggressive sole design, futuristic textures, and bold contours. It combines performance with attitude. The thick outsole isn't just about looks. It provides unmatched grip and comfort. If you love that athletic look with a fashion-forward twist, this sneaker is a must-have. Up next is the grey and orange sneaker, crafted with a minimalist yet modern design. The deep grey upper combined with a subtle orange swoosh gives it a clean, urban edge. Its design is streamlined and cool with a tech-inspired aesthetic. This shoe is perfect for everyday wear, offering maximum comfort while keeping your style on point. Now let's talk about speed and performance. These red racing sneakers bring the energy of the track to your feet. Made for runners, trainers, and fitness lovers, they're engineered for motion. The lightweight mesh upper, responsive sole, and aerodynamic shape make them perfect for high-speed comfort. But don't let the performance features fool you. They look just as good for streetwear styling. Then we move to the striking green and gold designer sneaker inspired by classic Italian luxury. The deep green canvas is covered in premium branding, while the gold accent and white sole offer a rich, elite finish. From fashion weeks to luxury malls, this pair will grab compliments anywhere you go. It's not just footwear, it's a fashion statement. And finally, the grand finish, a pair of Louis Vuitton designer sneakers, featuring brown mesh, white leather, and signature monogram ribbon laces. This pair is pure art. The detailed craftsmanship, bold silhouette, and luxurious materials make it the crown jewel of the collection. Whether you're attending a fashion event or just want to flex your style, these sneakers represent ultimate sophistication. Each of these sneakers is unique, bold, and crafted for those who believe that style begins at the feet. Branded footwear isn't just about the name. It's about expressing your personality, mood, and lifestyle through every step you take. Now the chunky white sneakers. Just feel the depth of that rugged outsole, the textured midsole, panel overlays, and studded finish create a look that screams futuristic rebellion. It's not your everyday sneaker, it's a bold fashion piece designed for those who want to lead, not follow. Then there's the grey sneaker with the subtle orange swoosh. a true modern classic. The smooth matte finish combined with that glowing orange accent creates a perfect balance. Its dual air units give you a soft bounce in every step. This is the pair you wear to late night hangouts, casual business meets, or just strolling through the city in style. Switching gears to the high-speed red runners. Just admire the aerodynamic shape. The engineered mesh breathes as you move, and the light reactive sole adds that pop under low light. Whether you're sprinting on the track or walking in the night city lights, this pair delivers energy and style. The green and gold designer sneakers are all about heritage and attitude. The luxury logo pattern on the fabric side panels is bold yet refined, while the gold trim elevates the look to luxury status. These shoes aren't made to be hidden, they're made to be seen. Ideal for pairing with designer jeans or even a blazer streetwear mix. Now pause for a moment to admire the Louis Vuitton designer sneakers. This pair tells a story of fashion legacy. The LV monogram ribbon adds a boutique finish, tied in oversized loops. Playful yet royal. The layered sole offers high fashion and street practicality combined. Just imagine wearing these with a crisp white outfit or even a bold brown leather jacket. That's statement styling done right. Each pair in this collection speaks a different fashion language. Bold, minimal, sporty, luxurious, artistic. But what connects them all is confidence. These aren't shoes to blend in. They're for people who stand out. In today's world, sneakers have evolved. They're no longer just for walking or running. They're part of your identity. Your sneakers show the world who you are before you even say a word. And in this collection, every pair has something powerful to say. If you're planning to upgrade your shoe game or simply love exploring new styles, make sure to stay tuned to our channel. We'll keep bringing you the best in fashion-forward footwear from all over the world. From street brands to high-end designer icons. Thanks again for joining us today. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed the collection. Comment your favorite pair and hit subscribe so you never miss a style drop. Until next time, walk bold, walk proud, because your style starts at your feet.